how can I support my 1 and 3-year-old? We have to continue to live in a level 10 moldy home. First of all, I am so sorry you have to continue to live in a level 10 moldy home. What we give our patients is we have some handouts for them if they have to be in there for a little while. But this is where EC3 comes in. EC3 from Microbalance Health Products comes in super handy, right? Because they give you a lot of options to deal with this. Number one, with little kiddos, they can take micro doses of binders. And even if they need to be taken with food, if they're not on medications, you can mix it into applesauce. You can mix it into some yogurt or dairy-free yogurt. You can mix it into a little bit of juice, right? Get them on some binders. You can get them on histamine relief. Kids do histamine support really, really well. You want to support your body in these pathways. And then secondarily, you want to be limiting, um, you want to be limiting um, how it's getting into your system from the environment as best you can. Get some HEPA air filters going, right? Open the windows, but you can use things like the EC3 mold candles. Let me see if I brought one in. I did. Like our patients love these. We travel with them. Actually, today I had a patient in from Pennsylvania, and they were asking me, which we'll talk about the fogger here in a second. When people come in who are maybe have moldy homes to our house, we get a little reactive without short of fogging with them, fogging every person that walks in. How can we help? Light the candle. Who doesn't love a good candle, right? So EC3 makes a soy-based or a honey-based candle that you can burn that really helps. And when we take these to hotels, game changer when traveling, right? So this helps to limit mycotoxins and mold spores in the air. You can be fogging with the EC3 mold solution. You can be nasal rinsing, which we'll talk about, so you can limit the amount of mold spores and mycotoxins coming into the kids' sinuses. And what we'll do with kiddos, right, if they won't let you, and you would be so surprised with little kids, even like especially 3-year-olds, how much they'll let you do, teach them to spray and sniff. But what we'll do with little ones, we'll get them sniffing, like, sound like that. And we'll, once you get the spray and go, and tell them to sniff it up. And so it helps, right? And we can do that. And then you can fog the house, right? You can get the EC3 fogger and the mold solution and fog the house on a regular basis, vacuum afterwards with the HEPA vacuum, right? Doing that, keeping it cleaned out, super, super helpful. Do your laundry and the laundry additive or the EC3 mold solution help limit mycotoxins and mold spores. We want to just limit your exposure as best we can. And EC3 has really great options to do that.